Okay, this next trick I'm going to show you is one of the most powerful tricks behind the bar. And it's definitely the trick that you're going to do if you're going to get the attention of the crowd and you're going to make the bar busy. Okay? It's called the waterfall. You can do it with 3, 2, 10 glasses. 10 martini glasses, could be shooter, any kind of glass. Okay, and I'm going to show you the technique how to make it happen. You're going to ice your shakers with the liquid is already there. Okay, you're going to make a regular pour, and you're going to ice your shakers. You're going to ice them up. And I'm going to show you the way to measure it, okay? The distance, in this case, we're going to use martini glasses. So to measure if there is enough ice, we're going to measure with the same martini glass until you get comfortable with the quantity of ice that you're going to put in the drink. Then you don't need to do this anymore. But at the beginning, just to learn the tricks, it's very important that you do this. It's an old trick that Alan Mace showed me a long time ago.
See, that's about it.
It doesn't have to be just perfect, it has to be really close. Because we don't want to get them too wide, so then when you do the waterfall, they're going to split. Okay? So we're going to do the third one. Same concept. There's more ice. In the middle. There you go. That's about it. Now we're going to grab another shaker. We're going to use it as a strainer. Okay? And we're going to put 3 at the same time. Now what we do, we're going to aim with each tin. We're going to aim the middle of each glass. Okay? And it should be a perfect roll. You will name the first one and we go one by one, slowly. Second, third. All right in the middle. And it's a waterfall. The most powerful trick behind the bar. Beautiful. You should use it in your advantage. Now let's watch it in slow motion.
The waterfall is the most impressive trick behind the bar, so be sure to use it wisely to grab the attention of your customers. As Christian explained, use the lip of the martini glass to determine the space required from one tin to another. You may then add or remove ice from the tins to achieve the proper space needed. Keep in mind that this space is just an estimate and it doesn't have to be exact, so don't spend an hour in front of your customers trying to calculate the proper space. Once you've prepared the drinks or the shots and have poured them into the tins, place a final tin on top to act as a strainer. Now you simply pour, aiming your tins directly at the center of your target. Be sure to make the pour last long by pouring slowly, allowing your guests to interact and become involved with your actions, while keeping an eye on the streams to ensure their landing.